Hello and welcome to our namespace challenge. In this challenge, we wanna create a Django application for organizing information about some animals. Imagine we have two birds, pigeon and eagle, one reptile, which is a snake, and two mammals, wolf and fox. Okay. In this application, we wanna display the type of movement of these animals. For example, we need to declare a class for the eagle and then declare a fly method for its type of movement and display it in the terminal. Alright, pause the video and try to do it. Okay guys, if you solve it, it's great, but if you run into some problems, that's okay. Let's go over it now. As we said, we have 5 animals: pigeon, eagle, a snake, wolf, and fox. Based on the type of these animals, we can separate them into 3 categories: bird, reptile, mammal. Alright, let's jump into VS Code and implement this scenario. First, let's create an application named Django. Okay, we have 3 categories. Let's create a namespace for each of them. So we start with bird namespace. Let's create bird file and then define bird namespace. As we told you, we define a namespace with the namespace keyword followed by namespace name, bird, then add a semicolon. Now it's time for declaring birds classes in this namespace. So we go for public class and class name, pigeon, and press enter. Then add a block for the class with open and close curly brace and press enter. Okay, in this scenario, we wanna display information about how these animals move. And since pigeons fly, we have to declare a fly method for the pigeon class. So between these curly braces, we go for public, static, void, and method name, fly, and open and close parentheses and press enter. After that, let's add open and close curly braces and press enter. For printing a message in the terminal between these curly braces, we go for console.writeLine and open and close parentheses, open and close double quote, and between them pigeon is flying, and put a semicolon at the end of the statement. Alright, now let's declare a class for the eagle, public class eagle. Since eagles also fly, let's declare fly method for eagle too, public static void fly. Console.writeLine, eagle is flying. Now let's call these methods in the main method. First, for accessing bird namespace, we use using keyword followed by namespace name, bird, then the semicolon. Let's get rid of this line, then pigeon.fly and semicolon. Press enter, eagle.fly. Now let's run the application. As you can see, the types of movement of these birds are displayed in the terminal. Alright, let's define the second namespace, which is reptile. So create a file named reptile and define reptile namespace. Now let's create a snake class, public class a snake. Since snakes crawl, we have to declare a crawl method for the snake class, public static void crawl. Console.writeLine A snake is crawling. Let's do the same for mammals. Create a file named mammal and define mammal namespace. Now declare two classes for wolf and fox. Public class wolf, public static void run. Console dot writeLine wolf is running. Public class fox, public static void run. Console dot writeLine fox is running. Alright, let's call crawl and run methods in the main method. In the top of this file, let's go for using reptile semicolon and using mammal semicolon. Now we can access to reptile and mammal members. In here we go for a snake dot crawl semicolon wolf dot run fox dot run. Now let's run the application again. As you can see, the types of movement of these animals are displayed in the terminal. Alright, that's it. We hope you enjoyed this challenge. In the next lecture, we talk about another C# syntax, which is comment. See you in the next lecture.